Radha Swami, respected sir and everyone. My name is Varsha Kardam. My roll number is 2002291. My branch is mechanical and my topic is Introduction to Relativistic Mechanics. Earlier, we have studied Newtonian mechanics, but there were some problems with classical physics. Classical physics is based on Newton's law of motion, but certain experimental results showed Newton's second law is valid only when object with very slow speed and fails when applied to object moving with very high speed. V is nearly equal to c, where c is speed of light. Thus, to deal with this problem, we have special theory of relativity. Special theory of relativity. Special theory of relativity was given by Einstein in 1905. The theory was applicable only when the object is comparable with the speed of light c, which is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. According to this theory, everything in this universe is relative. Nothing is absolute. Position, length, mass, time are all relative terms. There are two postulates of special theory of relativity, which are the first one is the law of motions are same in all inertial frame of reference. The speed of light in free space has the same value in all inertial frame of reference. So, from this, we can conclude that the speed of light cannot vary. Let us know how motion is a relative term. First of all, let us know what is motion. Change in the position of a body with relative to something else is known as motion. So, here is relative motion. The motion of one body with respect to another regarded as fixed. Compare relative motion. Here, we can conclude that physical quantities are relative. The time is relative, which we measure in second. Length is relative, which we measure in meter. Position is relative, and electric current, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity, etc. are all relative terms. Frame of reference. Frame of reference is a system of coordinate axes with respect to two particles or event. It may be two-dimensional space or three-dimensional space. An event can be defined as the happening of physical phenomena. In frame of reference, motion of body is completely described if we express three position coordinate as a function of time. For example, change in the position of train with respect to platform. Platform constitute as a frame of reference. Types of frame of references. There are two types of frame of references. The first one is inertial frame of reference and the second one is non-inertial frame of reference. Let us explain them one by one. The first one is inertial frame of reference. Inertial frame of reference is one in which Newton's first law of inertia holds good. Such a frame of reference is established when a body not subjected to net external forces is observed to move in a rectilinear motion at constant velocity. For example, a bus is moving with constant velocity. Inertial frame of references are also known as unaccelerated frame of reference. The second one is non-inertial frame of reference. Frame of reference in which Newton's law of inertia doesn't hold good. For example, bus is moving with variable velocity and the another one example is rotating merry-go-round. Non-inertial frame of reference are also known as accelerated frame of reference. Let us know whether Earth is a inertial or non-inertial frame of reference. Earth is non-inertial frame of reference because its orbital motion around the Sun and the rotational motion about its axis. But the effective revolution and the rotation of Earth may be ignored because it is very small. Thus, for all practical purposes, Earth is regarded as an inertial frame of reference. Thank you.